all of the luxury, some of the features, the softness, just the appointments that you've come to love in our pickup trucks. We've brought them to the chassis cab, and it's like your living room inside here. You're going to notice it comes with a 12-inch screen. Technology is a huge part of the pickup truck. We have a 7-inch TFT cluster, and there's actually 7 individual areas that you can go in there and customize. We have the most leather of any of our competitive set. And then just, I think, the attention to detail. We have our 17-speaker Harman Kardon audio system in here with nice stainless steel speaker grills. We have our new center console. Has 12 different storage kind of configurations, close to 40 liters of storage just in that center console alone. You couple that with the truck, you have about 250 liters of storage. We have automatic assist braking, and that includes the trailer. We also have, with a touch of the button on our steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise controls. We have trailer reverse cameras that actually pick up both images of your mirrors and actually project a split view of the trailer so you actually easily see around you. Our chassis cab is available with our 270 surround view camera. So it actually gives you a 270 perimeter view. You actually see that on the screen. Another cool feature we have is our aux camera. It's a system that is a wired camera. You can mount it anywhere around anything that you're attaching on to the chassis cab. It might be in the trailer that you're hauling or on the chassis cab itself. And with a push a button on the screen, you're able to see that image. The new 2019 Ram chassis cab, especially the truck that I'm sitting in, it's all decked out. It's got high touch points of leather. Our storage is premium on this pickup truck. Function's a big part of it. And we're happy to bring all of that now to kind of a new level of this chassis cab that we haven't seen in the marketplace before.